Dining sets from $149. Twin mattress sets just $99. And complete bedroom set $299. Brand new sectional. Includes free matching ottoman. Was $11.99. Now only $7.99. Or check out their huge assortment of artwork and accessories. Plus, you'll find mid-century design. One of a kind.
Okay, windows going up. Wow.
Have you ever wondered what happens to an underground fuel tank at a gas station when temperatures hit 49 degrees Celsius? Luckily, this one was far enough away, and nobody got hurt. Honestly, even the traffic lights look like they're telling us to just stay home. During the summer, Arizona easily tops 43 degrees. For people working outside, that kind of heat is brutal. This delivery guy had been running around all day and was desperate to cool off. When someone casually asked if he wanted to jump in their pool, he didn't think twice.
He just called. I said, you want to jump in my pool? He said, yeah. Is that good? You feel better? Yeah.
Look at that pure relief. Sometimes you just have to drop everything and jump in.
I think it might be a little bit hot today.
Are you thirsty? You're a big bear, and big bears get thirsty too. So I'm gonna put some water in that bowl.
Some people might run away in absolute terror, but this woman realized the giant bear in front of her was just dying of thirst. That's how an unusual friendship started. Now, whenever it gets too hot, the little bear knows exactly where to stop by for a cold drink.
Go ahead. Bet you that was good, huh? I love you, baby.
Automatic lawn sprinklers have turned into total lifesavers for local wildlife on scorching summer afternoons.
She'll probably stay there for an hour.
She might. It's amazing she left the little ones back here.
Oh, they do that all the time.
Walking under that intense sun is tough on anyone. Seeing a family struggle, a kind stranger walks over and shares an umbrella, most likely saving them from a dangerous heat stroke.
So the beach is too hot for Em, so she's walking off it like this.
You're in the pool!
When you accidentally fall right into the pool, you just roll with it.
What do I do? Listen to me. What do I do?
Even mother animals know where to bring their little ones to catch a break. Want to know how hot it gets in Texas? The heat is so intense that the gas pump signs literally melt right off the post. That is wild.
It's terrible. It's hot!
Et mon cristal. Et poivre.
At least high heat saves you money on driving, because nobody wants to step outside onto that melting asphalt. The owners built this nice backyard pond just to look pretty, but a local bear decided it was actually his own personal swimming pool. Feeling bad for the overheated crowds walking around Prague, the local firefighters decided to save the day with a massive public cool-down.
The cat's just chilling. It's bare chilled out. Why is it in the fridge? How does it get out?
Hey kitty kitty, hey kitty kitty. Check up on my melting car. Never hit anything. All of this damage is from the sun hitting the front window of my house.
We always talk about AC, but look at what extreme sunlight does to a car over time. The front window acting like a magnifying glass can crack the dashboard, melt the plastic badges, and ruin the paint completely.
Now we got the beautiful crack there. All this is from the sun. The emblem is my favorite. All the black dye, the crinkly old lady. Aw, and another crack from sunlight damage.
Forget waterproof phones, we need smartphones and cars built to survive extreme heat.
Oh, Lord. Hi, buddy.
Here we go again. Another dog left behind in a baking car while the owner went shopping. Police had to break the window to save the animal from overheating, and the owner walked away with a hefty fine.
It's way up front.
Is it what?
Come here. Actually, we'll just put the, you got a wire, we'll just put it in the front seat.
Hey, baby. You got the training leash on. Is this open? Can we unlock this? Hey, baby.
No, it's like all the way up here.
Here you go.
In Berlin, the government found a unique way to help people beat a 41-degree heat wave. They roll actual water cannons out onto the streets. Even the horses look around, wondering why they don't get a turn.
I have this one actually. Oh, maybe not. What about this one? Oh, maybe not. Oh my god.
Well, nature accidentally turned this store shelf into a chocolate fondue station. You know it's a record-breaking heat wave when people start cheering wildly just for a cup of plain water. Ice cream freezers must be facing total war right now. When an extreme heat wave hits Paris, the Warsaw Fountain turns into the city's most popular luxury swimming pool. A kind-hearted Parisian noticed a tiny bird suffering from the heat. Back in Arizona, when temperatures hit 48 degrees, a dad decided to show his daughter just how hot the sun really is.
Okay, here we are literally about 2 minutes after we put it on there. You can already see it's starting to cook. What do you think, Ava? Is it hot?
Yeah.
Here we are 10 minutes in, and it is cooking.
Oh, and play it.
Come right on the ass right now. Don't do that.